Hello, welcome to the Enterprise AI Minute, your journey into the real world AI future. This episode is brought to you by CloudWars Expo, which is running June 28th through 30th at the Moscone Center in San Francisco, California, where I'll be leading tracks and sessions alongside Bob Evans, founder of CloudWars, and the rest of my acceleration economy analyst colleagues. So go to cloudwarsexpo.com to learn more and join me there. All right, the term governance is not new, especially in the technology world. However, when it comes to artificial intelligence, this is where governance becomes critical. And why is that? Well, let's address this first. On one hand, AI has created some false narratives and concepts that feed into the fear, uncertainty, and doubt of truly using AI as a strategic tool. But on the other hand, and by some estimates, 80% of companies have increased their AI ML budget to accommodate future strategic usage. Seems to be at opposing viewpoints here. Second point here is many efforts to put AI governance in place fail to include aspects of compliance, cost, value, and auditing, this whole package, if you will. And this can be tough to do because subsets of AI, such as machine learning, and as the name entails, this means AI is learning and can create new data. And this data can fall outside of privacy or compliance standards. So this balance is tough. There's a recognition that AI is needed to be strategic. They're seeing value of using AI tools to create these great strategic insights for their data. But on the other hand, there's this uncertainty of what if the AI data that's created falls outside, like I said, of any compliance or privacy standards. Now, this doesn't mean we throw up our hands and quit. This means we should be putting a concerted effort into understanding the nature of how AI is being used and its purpose. Then you can craft a foundational governance model that's unique to your organization and the industry that you're within. But keep this in mind. These models need to be scalable and flexible as the pace of AI is rapidly growing. Additionally, where some other confusion can come in here is that if you're using multiple different, say, cloud solution providers, they're going to have their own sets of AI governance standards. Now, many of these are default across all of them in some fashion. They include like human in the loop, sustainability, fairness, correcting bias, security, and safety. But it's up to you to ask yourself this question. What are your plans for AI governance for your organization that's unique to what you need to do? And remember this, the future of AI depends on what we do now. So stay real, stay you.